Hello there, you are welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to format page, edit font, and how to insert pages. Let's get started. To edit font, we have to type some font. So let's type in here about me. Remember that when typing, you can use the shift key to type capital letters. The font that we have typed will take the default font style of Calibri body, and the default font size is 11. We can change that. To change the font style, we highlight the text by clicking and holding the mouse button and dragging on the text. After highlighting the text, we leave the cursor on it and we have this shortcut option for font editing. Or we can go back to the font group and edit the font. To do that, let's click on the arrow near the font style, and it gives us a list of fonts available on the computer. So let's scroll through and select Algerian. So we have successfully changed the font style of the text. We can also increase the size of the text by picking the size from the list below. So we click in this arrow and select the size that we want for our font. Say 48. And we can also change the color of the font. First, since we have highlighted the font, we can change the color by selecting the font color here and then choosing the color that we want for our font. Say red. Okay. From here, we want to move this font to the center. To do that, we have to use the options in the paragraph group. First of all, we have to highlight the font. And then in the paragraph group, we have four main alignment styles. We have the left align, center, right align, and justify. When I click on center, it moves the text to the center of the sheet. When I click on left align, it moves the text to the left. When I click on right align, it moves the text to the right. So let's select the center. Now that we have centered the text, we want to underline the text. To underline the text, we have to highlight the text and then click on the underline button in the font group. That is how we highlight and underline text. So we have successfully underlined the text and we have changed the color. Now let's type some more text. To move to the next line, we press the enter key on the keyboard. Since we have centered the text, the cursor is going to appear at the center. We can change that by clicking the alignment, and then we can also change the font we want to type with. So we have to change the font style from Algerian. Let's change it to let's pick a suitable font like the Caribou. And then let's change the size to 20. Now let's type a short sentence about ourselves. So as we type, you notice that the font color has picked the previous one and it has been underlined. We can change that by highlighting the font and then deactivating the underline and giving it a new font color. So let's continue typing. Very good. So after entering this text, we can also apply text alignment to the text. To select a single text, we can click and drag to select the whole paragraph. But we can do this by using a shortcut. We can double click in a word to select the word, or we can triple click to select the whole paragraph. So select the whole paragraph, and then we can now center the paragraph. So when you center, I've centered the paragraph, it moves to the center. We can also make it left aligned or right aligned, and we can also justify the text. So let's justify the text. Okay, so this is how we enter text and edit text in Microsoft Word. So let's learn how to insert a picture. Since we have typed something about ourselves, let's try and insert a picture. To insert a picture, you go to the Insert tab, and then you go to the Illustrations group and select Picture. This will open a window for you to locate where your picture is. Locate the picture, scroll through the folder and select your picture. Then click on Insert. This will insert the picture. Now that we have inserted the picture, let's do some editing. You will notice that the picture comes with some dots at the edges. These dots help us to resize the picture. So you send the cursor to that edge and it changes to a double-headed arrow. We click and we drag it down to resize the picture. So we can do that at the bottom also to resize our picture. Okay. So to change how the picture interacts with the text, we have to do what is called text wrapping. To text wrap our picture, we have to double click on the picture so that we can get the format in the options here. When we get the format, we go to the Align group and then select Text Wrap. In the text wrapping, we have a lot of options. The default option is in line with text. We also have square, tight, behind text, and in front of text. Let's select the square alignment. See that when we selected the text wrapping for square, the text has been squarely aligned around our picture. To move a picture, click on the picture and drag the mouse so we can move the picture to the beginning of the sentence. So that is how we text wrap and move pictures. We can also change the design of the picture by picking from the format Picture Styles. We can give our picture a frame by picking some of these styles in the format Picture Styles. We can also change the size of the picture, or we can change the angle by rotating the picture. When we send our cursor here, we can click and drag to rotate the picture. So we can rotate the picture to the angle that we want. Okay, we can still resize the picture. Now that we have inserted the picture successfully, let us learn how to change the font color. To do that, we highlight the font and then we can now pick a suitable color that we want for our font. Very good. Now let's learn how to insert a page border. We want to give a border to our document. To do that, we go to the Insert tab and then we go to the Page Layout tab. So we can select the Insert tab to insert different options like pictures and shapes. And we can go to the Page Layout for options about the page. So let's click on the Page Layout tab and then go to Page Borders in the Page Background group. Select Page Borders and scroll through to select the style that you want. So we can select a line style for our page border, and this will show you a preview of how the page is going to be like. Or we can also change the color of our border by clicking from the color. This will give you a preview. We can also select different arts that we can use as our page border. So let's select one of these, and this will give us a preview. We then click OK, and we have given page border to our document. You can also change the background color by clicking on the page layout and then page color. You can select a suitable color for our page. So this is where we end this tutorial. Hope you have learned a lot from it.